Hello, let's see how to export collected survey data to SPSS and Excel in one-click survey. In the first part, we show how we can use filters to adjust the export. Then we show the process for exporting to various formats, with the emphasis on SPSS and Excel export. We can export the data in the tab Data Export. Export can be adjusted by setting filters. Filters can be accessed by clicking on the funnel-shaped icon at the top right. Under the Settings option, we can set the export of only system data. These are email, first name and last name, etc. If we select the Export Only Data option, only the respondent's answers to the questions are exported. With the Export Data and Paradata option, Paradata is also exported in addition to the answers, e.g. respondent sequential number and date of completion. Data can be filtered according to the respondent's statuses. For example, we can select only the units that have completed the survey with a status of 6 and click Choose Profile. Or we can create a custom profile by clicking New Profile. We adjust the profile, save the settings, and click Choose Profile. We can set that only certain variables and questions are exported, e.g. only question Q1. We can add conditions. For example, we only want the respondents who completed the survey on the phone. We can also export surveys that were completed within a specific time period, e.g. last day. We will now explain the process of exporting data to the statistical software package SPSS with 5 steps. Also described in the tab SPSS Syntax, we recommend exporting to SPSS Syntax as the SAV export functionality is still developing. First, we export the TXT data file and the SPSS syntax file to the same folder. Then we find the text file in the folder, right-click it, select Properties, and copy the file location. Now we open the syntax file in the SPSS program. We move to the line File, where we delete the C:, and paste the location of the text file instead of C:. Then we run the syntax file with the command run all, a SAV file where the database is created. The database must be saved. In SPSS, we can define missing values. In the column Missing, we select the settings displayed on the screen. In one-click survey, all negative values are missing values. Missing values legend is available at the bottom of the tab Data Browse. For example, -1 means unanswered question and -3 dropout. When exporting to Excel, we can export the file in XLS or CSV format. We run the export by clicking on Export to Excel button. A pop-up window appears. We select Yes. When exporting to CSV format, we can specify the delimit character between the fields and hide the survey questions text. For export, we click on the CSV File Export button. Data can also be exported to text file. This was a display of exporting survey data from the one-click survey application.